This is the story of Shafan, a little boy who one day remembered what is most important.
Hey Shufan, let's go to grocery shop. Hello sir, do you have these grocery items?
Yes, why not? Give me a moment, please. Madame, all the necessary items are available.
Wow! So many tasty chocolates in one place! Mama is busy and the shopkeeper isn't watching. I could take a chocolate.
Remember, God sees everything we do, even when nobody else is watching.
Come on, Shufan. It's only one chocolate. What's the harm?
Shufan, remember that Allah is always with us. He can see everything we do, even when no one else is watching.
Mom, that chocolate looks so yummy. Can we buy it, please?
Why not, my son? It's time to go home, my son.
Mom, I want to tell you something.
Yes, my son.
I was about to take the chocolate because no one was looking. But then I remembered Allah is always watching me. So I took my hand back and made the right choice.
Well done, my son. Shufan, today you showed great honesty and faith. You remembered Allah when no one was watching, and that is the mark of a true Muslim.
Mom, remembering Allah makes my heart feel so light and happy.
Son, Allah sees us wherever we are, at home, in the shop, at school, or outside. Before you do something, stop and think. Will Allah be happy with what I am about to do?
If Allah is pleased with it, then go ahead and do it.
Of course! And if Allah would not be pleased with it,
then it's better not to do it.
MashaAllah! That's my smart son!
Allah, I promise to do my best to make the right choices.
That day, Shufan learned an important lesson. Allah is always aware of our actions, so we should always think carefully and choose what pleases Allah.
Hi kids! Did you enjoy the video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories and lessons. Thank you for being here. We can't wait to see you in the next video.